Create next file api2.js in which folder? API folder. Okay, got it. Now write import React use state use effect from React. Okay, next after this, const my API to export write a array here. Let user list update user equal to use state keep as a array empty array. Next after that, write a function const get user. Inside the get user, we'll use the fetch function. Inside fetch function, we have to keep the URL. So to get the URL, we need to open the internet. Open the browser, search for JSON placeholder. Search for JSON placeholder. Search the website, JSON placeholder. JSON placeholder typico.com will come. Open this. JSON placeholder you need to search. This website will come. You need to open it. Okay, open. Now go inside. You have a user URL somewhere. Click on that. 10 users it will be saying. Users. We can go to the users URL and copy this. In this URL, you can see what are the properties are there. Name, username, email, address. Under the address, street, suit, city, pin code, geo, lat long, phone, website, company name, something. So multiple properties we have. Those properties we need to fetch and display inside the page. So we'll go here. Okay. Come inside. Use dot then. Response. Response.json. Dot then. User array. After receiving the data, it will convert into JSON object. Then you will get as a array at last. Those array you need to hand over to the update user function. Update user function will transfer this user array to user list. Update user will transfer the user array to user list. Right? Next, after that, how this get user function will call? We will call the use effect. Under use effect, you will call that get user function. But when you call the get user function, use effect will keep calling continuous. You have to apply the break in that. Last parameter, comma, 1 or true, both is fine. Okay, get user function. We called get user function now. Will bring the data and give to whom? User list. Then below, You write here called return part. Under the return part, division ID equal to ID or class. What is that? Class or ID? ID equal to container. Okay. Inside that, you print now under the H1, align as a center. Next, we can print inside user list dot length Before that, we can write total users. User list dot. Okay. Check now. Come to the app.js file. Call this file in the routing. See length is coming or not. Coming. How many? Yeah. Right. So we added. Now create a table. We will display the data in table. Self padding 10 will be okay. Align center will be okay. Head var th. We can write here call user ID you can keep in. th full name next th email ID next th mobile number, not mobile number, it is a phone number. Next th it's called city. and next th is called company. Okay. So next after that, open the T-body and write the map function user list dot map with user comma index. Next after that, return here T as an index, then td user dot id, next td user dot name, next td user dot email, next td we have to see what other there. We have called this one for a phone and then address dot city and then company dot name. So we can write here user dot phone, user dot phone, user dot user dot address dot city, user dot company dot name. So it will give you the list of everything. Okay, printing. Okay, so I'll go to the, so hope everyone have written. We'll import inside. Internet is required. Connect your system with internet. Import my API to safe error. What is the problem? Not coming. Now here I am standing, I'll help you. If you go to company, who will help there? वहीं बोल रहे हैं, चेक कीजिए, रीड करो आप, रीड द कोड for 10 minutes. You will get the error. Go to console, check in console what error is saying. When error will come in your house, you cannot look into someone else's house, no? You look into your house, what is the problem? You're looking in his computer, you're looking in his computer, how it is that? So when error comes, you have to look into your system. I will show you the code. Compare it. This is the function. Compare the function first. Read line by line.
तो एक नाम से नहीं वाला सब है कि ये 10 को बहुत अलग चीज है क्या होता है इस बार तो कटे बने ये नहीं पता है सभी में आउट है ए आम लिंक का हो गई तो रिटर्न आई को है ये करे होगा तो इंडेक्स कर सकता है जितने मिनट के को एले को नेक्स्ट वो स्पेलिंग फोटो कोई गोल्डन फोटो फोटो वो देख दिल से गोल्डन में मैं तो ये किसी है क्या बात नहीं how I really terminar con dermatología. Y el porno que lo que es update can all or no per update can it is can it not stop server and start again. What? Then it is user router file. My API to API to now API to my API to router. After that, go to the browser now. Column. Again. API to and be some people will write the shortcut in such a way, you have to call him and ask, what is this? Okay. That way we will write the shortcut.
Okay, done. The list is coming.
Server,
Huh?
server running.
Server is running. Okay, once the server will run, you will get the list here. Now this is the data from where? Someone else server. We will create our own JSON server and from there we can read the data. So come again. So data is listed something like this. Okay, come out of the React project folder. This is the project folder, not inside, outside. Okay. Create again one folder called JSON API. JSON API out of the React folder, not inside. Out of the React folder, create a folder called JSON API. Out of the React server, create a folder called JSON API. Next, come to the CMD, come to the VS Code. In file option, there is an option called add folder to workspace. In VS Code, you have an option in file menu, add folder to workspace. Click on that and select the JSON API folder. Click on that and select the JSON API folder. Okay, JSON API folder selected. Now go to the JSON API folder. And in JSON API folder, create a file again, data.json. Data.json. In data.json file, you will write a property called item list colon array user list colon array. Not coming. Create two array, item list as well as user list. right? User list as well as item list. Now go to the user list, item list, and add one item called ID 1, name Apple, price 300, UTY 10, photo, put 1.jpg, .jpg. Now add one more product. ID as a 2, mango 200, .jpg. Okay, 2 item added. Now come to CMD. Open the CMD in JSON API folder. Open the CMD in JSON API folder. Start the JSON server. JSON minus server minus watch data.json minus port 1 2 3 4. You should remember that, right? For this, why you are looking at board? इसके लिए आप उधर क्यों देख रहे हो? याद नहीं है? जावा से भी पढ़ाया था ना? पढ़ा था कि नहीं? क्या भूल गया? इंटरव्यू में जाके एक बार भूल जाओ आप, फिर देखो क्या होता है. In an interview, you forget once the concept. See what will happen. You will go with hope and you will come with the 0. Okay, so important commands that is the chance to forget. In mobile to take a photo, it will not cost any single rupees, or it will cost. It will not cost, no? Right? In mobile, sticky notes come free of cost. In that, it will take any rupees? No. You write in that whenever you are free, and when you scroll up down the WhatsApp people profile photo and here there and see the status, that time look into that sticky note, which command is for what purpose. Okay, start the server. So what is the port number? Port number is 1234. So you get a URL called user list and you get a URL called item list. Inside the item list, how many items are there? 2 items. We have added today 2 items. So those items we are going to display inside the page. Those items we are going to display inside the page. Just check once and let me know your JSON server is started or not. Okay, done. Come next to your React again. So you can check this URL whether data is coming or not. What is the URL? Item list. We'll copy that and we'll look into the browser. We'll open the URL and we'll see data is coming. Right now we should have one page inside our React API 3. In that it will display the list of items. So come in API3.js file. We have to create the API3.js. API3.js. Create the next file. Import React use state use effect from React. const my API 3 users equal to from API to function you have written, use effect you have written, both you can copy. Function and which one? Use effect. Those all you can copy and paste here because that will be similar. And user list will change to item list. Update user will change to update item. Get user will change to get item. Then here URL will be different. http:// localhost / item list, then item array. Item array will go to the update user, update item. Below you will call the get item. As usual, you will do the export part also. Okay, now come down, write the return. So variable and all you can check properly. Write the return below. Under the return section tag we can add. For section tag, give ID as a container. Write inside item list. One item list. Align equal to center. Done. Now display the item list. Length also. Item list dot length. Item list dot length. Next, after that, write A. We have anything anywhere for the kind of. Okay, so this is using the field set. We have used same thing everywhere, field set, field set. Okay, no problem. Here also you can use the field set. Item list dot map. Item list dot map. Item, comma, index. Return field set and legend also. Under legend, you will write the item dot name. For field set, we'll write the key property, index. Below, we will display the photo, and then we'll display the price and quantity. Item name, what are the things we have? Name, price, quantity, photo. Name you displayed. Below you display now image. img src equal to item dot photo. Item dot photo width equal to 100% full width. Below to that, inside the key tag, price will be something. Item dot price. Item dot price per kg. Or instead of per kg, we can write here the rupees item. Next, in a stock. In a stock. Item dot QQ. So this. Yeah, working. Check now. You have to import in app.js file. provide a link, and then check. You can go to the app.js file. And import the API 3. Something like this. Width 100% is very small. 100% we have written or pixel. Oh, 100% you can write. 100% means full width. According to width, it will take height. According to width, it will take height. Please check the routing. Let me know your page is loading or not. Now inside the same JSON server, you have one more call, user list. So in user list, store in the same user list, store the 3 user or maybe 2 user name, mobile, email, city. ID will be there, and what else? Name, mobile, email, and city. Here what you have done? Name, price, quantity, photo. Here you will create name, mobile, email, and city. Store 2 user name, mobile, email, city, and create one more component called API 4, and in that list display quickly. We have 10-minute time. Create one more. So anyone have error? Once you complete this, go to the JSON server. You have user list. Under the user list, array, add 2, 3 user, name, mobile, city, name, mobile, email, city. Name, mobile, email, and city. Add for 2, 3 user, and after that, display that data in React. You will create a component called API 4 and displaying that quickly.